This is a quick 30-second tutorial on how to change the Freeon or AC refrigerant R134A on a 2012 Mazda Mazda2. First, you remove the cap that is located right here, the little black one. You unscrew it. You can go to like Walmart or any place that sells car accessories. You can get AC Pro for approximately $40 after tax at Walmart. You plug it in by pressing down. There's no screwing. You just press down really firmly. Once it goes on, you should have the gauge read. You depress the trigger mechanism right here. It should go down to low. You keep the AC off. I would suggest holding it down for 30 seconds at a time, letting it go, check it, go into the car, cycle the AC on by turning it on to 4 with the AC turned to the coldest setting possible. Then you come back outside and you press the trigger again for 30 seconds. And that's it. You should be able to cycle it like that. When you're filling the can up, you can take it back and forth. You can also tilt it sideways. It doesn't matter. The can should almost empty all the way. And that concludes our tutorial. Goodbye.